absolutely buzzing here. The next 90 minutes should be captivating.
Bale on the ball. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Ronaldo.
Oh, he did really well there.
And he stayed onside.
Oh, well timed. What a well-timed tackle.
Just the keeper to...
Mbappe! Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Into danger area. Hazard. Bale on the ball.
Oh, look at that showboating.
Oh, well timed. PK, it's away. And it's the captain. Striker's ball. He must score. Ronaldo shoots.
That one has gone out of play.
It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. Sané. Tackled by Piqué, sends it forward. It's with the striker.
Is this a goal?
Ronaldo!
His first goal for the club. What a moment. He'll be delighted with that. His first goal for this team. The manager is bringing 2 players on. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Great footwork there.
The defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break. With the striker.
Surely now, Mbappe! He's off the mark for his new team. A great goal. His first goal for the club. What a moment. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net.
The fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. That's it for now. It's half-time. They're winning. Can they stay in control for the next 45 minutes? Hazard.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Ronaldo shoots. Good save by the goalkeeper. Well, let's take another look at that. And that's into the box. Hazard shoots. And it's saved by the keeper.
Oh, it's in. The fans are happy to see him get his first goal. That was really well taken. He's made it. And it's 2-1. The game really needed that goal. Mbappe.
PK. Hazard.
Oh, determined challenge there. Now De Bruyne. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. This player is taking on the opposition.
Actually, on bench, like see some fresh legs introduced shortly.
Attack, the ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Ronaldo shoots.
Oh, that's well. Let's see that again. No cards from the referee today.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
Piqué.
Back to the goalkeeper.
That one has gone out of play.
Defenders are looking to the center, but that stays down. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. But a good call by the referee's assistant.
And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. And the team swap possession again. He loves to go past players with the ball.
He must score! Ronaldo!
And this is a world-class finish. Let's see that one again. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back away.
Got to admire skill like that.
Not a great challenge.
Big time added on now. Ronaldo with a free kick.
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. And there's full time. There's no better dream team. Not even a jealous manager can stand in their way. But can they do it again next season? The moment everyone's been waiting for. As a team win the ultimate challenge.